Okay, so hey guys, I am Miss Yeager. If you are on our course on Canvas, you should see this as the home page. On here, you can find our teacher info by clicking the little person, and it has Miss Richards' information and my information. You have both of us in this class, has when our schedule is, and it also says a little bit about us. You go back to home and you click on the syllabus, it has the syllabus for this course. So here's the syllabus. It has the materials you need, assignments, how much everything is graded, weighted, stuff like that. If you go back home, you then get course content. This is where everything is going to be. So you click on it, you have the teaching and learning map if you want to find out what's happening for the whole year. This Canvas weekly planner is going to be your friend. When you click on it, it tells you exactly what we're going to be doing each day. So for here, Friday is your digital learning day. Each of these days these are each linked. So on Monday, you could have clicked it and it brings you to Monday's page. If I go back, hopefully it loads, there we go. This is also the same link right here. If I click on that, it still brings me to Monday. So either of those links will bring you to Monday's date and Tuesdays and Wednesdays and so on. So tomorrow's, let's just go to tomorrow's. So tomorrow you have a live session. So you can find the link by clicking here, which will again, I don't think I published it yet, bring you to tomorrow's date. Let me publish it, hold on one second. Which now if I click on it, it will bring you to Friday's date. You can also, instead of using the Canvas planner to find everything, that kind of gives you an overview, but you can also, when you go to modules, if you keep scrolling, you then see Unit 1. So Unit 1, it has the standards on it, and if you keep scrolling past all these words, past the standards, you see each day has its own page. So this is everything you should have been doing this week. So on Monday, if I click Monday, we had introductions, the syllabus, there's a prereq test, prerequisite skills test. You needed to do that. And then you also should have done the student information form. That was Monday. On Tuesday, I can click next. Completed notes are here. There's a foldable version of the completed notes. We had to fold it in half. Here's your homework you should have done. Other documents you received today, if you were in class, was the warm-up page and the table of contents page. And this was adding to the table of contents. So if you were in class, we are doing a table of contents and labeling each of the pages so you can stay more organized. There also is a video for, what day was this? Tuesday. So if I scroll down to next, Wednesday. So this was yesterday. So Wednesday we did adding and subtracting. So from the warm-up page, you should have had yesterday, you're doing number 6 and 7. Then there's a video explaining number 6 and 7 as if you were in class. Then number 2 says watch the video below and fill in the corresponding notes. If you click these notes, you should see the blank notes, and they're the exact same notes I am going over in class. Then you click the video and it brings the video up that I made for you. So once you do that, then there's the completed notes. In case you missed something, you can click on those. And here are the same exact notes I went over in my video. Then you go to homework, odds on both sides. And then again, here's the table of contents for that day. Today was a whodunit activity, so we did warm up number 3. We checked homework, but for digital learners, it says I will attach the homework answers under comments once you've submitted the assignments on Friday. So I'm going to show you where to do that tomorrow. I'm not going to take homework assignments every day from you. On Friday, once we've done everything for the week, then I'm going to take your classwork and homework assignments. So hold tight and I'll show you where to find that in just 1 minute. So we checked our homework. So for this, I walked around and checked for completion. For the class activity, we did whodunit, which is kind of like Clue. It's almost like an around the world. You answer these problems and the clues, you find out what their alibi was. So on number 7, when you end up doing this, the answer ends up being negative x squared plus 8. And it says the victim did not drown. So on here, let me find it. On here on the bottom, so down here, the victim did not drown. So you would click drown and you'd scratch it out because that's not how they did it. So in the end, you'll have 1 from here, and 1 from here. Figure out what they did. So that was today's. So we're going to check that tomorrow. Again, here's your table of contents. Okay, so tomorrow is a little different. Tomorrow we're doing a live session. So you guys are going to have to log on in the morning. At 8:15 we'll start. And we are going to do this right here. So warm up, do numbers 4 and 5 from your warm up sheet is what we're going to do first. Then we are going to check the whodunit for an accuracy grade. So that's what we're doing in class. So for you digital learners, I will grade it for you. So you're going to, again, that's going to be one of the papers you are going to turn in for the week. And I'm going to show you in a second where to turn those in. Then tomorrow we are going to go live with the multiplying polynomial notes. When we're going live, if you need to go back and watch the notes later, I have made a video for you, and there's also the completed notes, but you have to be on the live if you're a digital learner, and then you have classwork homework. So here's how it's going to work. For the week, on Friday, it says, digital learners, click here to submit your classwork homework for the week. You click it, and it tells you what I want you to submit to me. It says, please submit the following worksheets. These should have been completed throughout the week. So it's due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. Late submissions will not be accepted. So I have Monday right here. However, Monday, you're not actually submitting on here. It was a form. So I'm going to go to my Microsoft form and make sure your name is on there. If it's not, you lose a point. Then you also had the pre-assessment to do from Monday. You had your homework to do on Tuesday. You had homework to do last night, both sides. And then you had the whodunit from today in class. So those are the 5 things I'm going to be checking for this week's homework. It says these assignments will be individually graded and entered into Canvas. However, from the assignments above, not all may have an individual grade. Basically, what that's saying is you are submitting all of this right here. You are submitting all of this a file, okay? But I might not be taking every single one of these for a grade. So this week we decided we were taking, let's see what 2 we were taking. We took the chart and we took the polynomials worksheet for a grade. Oh, and we're taking the whodunit for a grade. I think I said that wrong. We took the worksheet and the whodunit for a grade. But you still need, as a digital student, to submit all of this because that's how I know that you're staying on track while you're at home. If this doesn't make sense how you're submitting it, please reach out to me and Miss Richards so that we can help you figure it out. So let's go back and make sure we got everything. So notice how on this one, it goes through today's date, Thursday, of the whodunit. So you're going to turn that one in tomorrow as well. However, Friday, let me go back to modules. Friday, tomorrow, when we have our live session, You do have homework. It's right here. You have homework, but I'm not collecting that till next week. So that will go under next week's stack of papers that you're turning into me. I hope this helped. I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, let me know. And I can help you more. This is a learning curve for Miss Richards and me and for you guys, because last year when we were digital, we did some stuff and I always put videos in for my students, but when the kids were actually digital, it was a completely different platform and you weren't in our class with us. So we didn't have synchronous teaching. So bear with us. We're trying to make it as smooth as possible and help it make as most sense as it does. I also have posted announcements. One last thing, I'm sorry, announcements for our digital learning lesson. So I'll post announcements in here if we either change something in the weekly planner, or if there's just something important I need you guys to know, it'll be in announcements. So modules and announcements are the two places you go. So hopefully this makes sense. If it doesn't, email me. Good luck, guys. I'll see you in the morning.